try to push up on pro, watch me. Where's bro him? Tryna flip bro, I think that shit broken. Bro put the beat right on top of his throat. One shot to his head, made that boy a little slower.
That nigga literally almost fucked us.
He almost fucked us. He tried to kill us, yo. We got that on Dashcam.
Yo, watch where you're going. Watch where you're going.
But we
fucking dumbass. Drive that truck better, stupid ass nigga. Yo, you almost fucking killed us. I'ma call your company. I'ma call your company. I'ma call your company. I'ma call your company. Buddy, I'ma call your fucking company. You're gonna get fucking fired. You fucking pussy. Fucking goof. Drive better, you blind fuck. Take your sunglasses off, you goof. Dumbass nigga.
Nigga's trying to get pick up.
Is this so red light you're in? That nigga's not getting past. Bro, he would've got fucking read.
We're not on Dashcam, bro. We're going 100 miles per hour. We gotta quickly get him off.
Driving like a fucking dumbass, buddy.
The nigga in the cop's gonna be like, let me see the footage. Well, it clearly looks like you're driving like a fucking dumbass.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't see nothing wrong with this. I think you're in the wrong side.
This guy